If you're looking to increase your product sales, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you the most effective ways to optimize your product for your target audience. Technology-driven innovation can break through technical barriers and drive real change. By taking advantage of the latest technologies, you can make your product stand out from the competition. Scene-driven innovation digs into users' desired needs and even creates new demand by changing users' lifestyles. This is a great way to reach out to potential customers and provide them with an amazing experience. Design-driven innovation uses high-level values such as emotion, society, and growth. It should create a sense of value and draw people in with its aesthetic qualities, quality, and detail experience. These three factors are essential when it comes to optimizing your product for your target audience. Technology-driven innovation provides you with the tools necessary to make your product stand out. Scene-driven innovation finds users' desired needs. Design-driven innovation helps capture their attention and make them feel valued by providing an aesthetically pleasing experience. All of these elements combine together to form a successful optimization strategy. Thanks to Shulex, you can now pinpoint which areas of your product need improvement with their unique 5-step method. First, identify the high market opportunity points that deliver maximum satisfaction across different user scenarios. Second, design corresponding scenes and mood labels to gain insight into the particular scene or product performance. Third, use the data generated from these labels to measure user experience and identify areas of improvement. Fourth, leverage powerful analytics tools like Shulex Vox, industry-leading algorithms, to uncover patterns and trends in user behavior. Lastly, create a comprehensive optimization strategy tailored specifically for your target audience, based on the insights you have gathered from Shulex Vox analysis. With Shulex Vox customer-first approach, you can rest assured that your entire optimization process is fast, accurate, and reliable. So don't wait any longer. Take advantage of the world's most advanced optimization solution today.